Top 3 foods that instantly stop leg cramps in seniors. Are you tired of being suddenly woken up by painful leg cramps in the middle of the night? Or do you struggle with stiff muscles that make it hard to move around? Good news! The right foods can help your muscles relax, make your blood flow better, and stop cramps before they even start. In this video, we're going to share the top 3 amazing foods that help older adults stay cramp-free, keep their muscles strong, and move more easily. So stick around, because you don't want to miss these simple tips that can change your life. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Please leave a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip from SeniorForge 365. 1. Eggs. Among all the healthy foods that help muscles, eggs are a real powerhouse of important vitamins and minerals. But how exactly do eggs help with leg cramps in older people? Let's find out together. Tired muscles are a main reason for cramps, and protein is super important for repairing and maintaining muscles. Older adults often lose muscle mass as they age. This is called sarcopenia, which makes them more likely to get cramps and feel weak. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Just one large egg gives you 6 grams of high-quality protein. This helps rebuild muscle fibers, makes your muscles less tired, and helps them contract better, which means fewer cramps. Eating eggs regularly makes your muscles stronger and more able to last, reducing the chance of painful cramps. How does the vitamin D in eggs help your body absorb calcium and make your muscles work? Vitamin D is crucial for your body to take in calcium and for muscles to contract. Without enough vitamin D, you can get weak muscles, cramps, and even ongoing pain. Studies show that older adults who don't have enough vitamin D get leg cramps more often and more severely. Egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D, which helps keep your bones and muscles healthy. While sunlight is the best way to get vitamin D, many older adults spend less time outdoors, making it important to get it from food. Eating eggs can help older adults keep their vitamin D levels healthy, lowering their risk of cramps. Can eating eggs regularly help stop muscle cramps caused by a lack of vitamin D? Yes, but diet alone might not be enough. One egg has about 40 IU of vitamin D, but the daily recommendation for older adults is 800 to 1000 IU. To get more vitamin D, older adults can eat eggs with fortified dairy products like milk or yogurt, or with fatty fish like salmon or sardines. If your levels are low, you might also consider a vitamin D supplement. Spend some time outside to get natural vitamin D. While eggs help with vitamin D intake, combining them with other sources ensures better muscle and bone health, leading to fewer cramp episodes. Vitamin B12 plays a direct role in how your nerves work. When your B12 levels are low, nerve signals don't work as well, which can lead to muscle spasms, tingling, and cramping. Eggs help protect nerve health because they provide B12 and choline. These two work together to help protect your nerve coverings, myelin sheath. Improve how muscles and nerves talk to each other, making sure muscles contract and relax smoothly, and prevent cramps related to nerve damage, which are common in people with diabetes and older adults. Eating eggs regularly helps keep your nerves healthy, reducing wrong signals that cause muscle cramps. Are older adults more likely to get muscle cramps if their B12 levels are low, and how can eggs help? Yes, older adults are more likely to have low B12 because their stomachs produce less acid, which makes it harder to absorb B12. Common medicines like metformin or acid reflux drugs can lower B12 levels, and they might eat fewer animal-based foods due to diet choices. Low B12 can cause frequent muscle cramps and weakness, nerve damage leading to burning, numb, or tingling feelings, and anemia, which means less oxygen gets to your muscles. Eggs are a good source of B12 for seniors. They're easy to digest and a simple way to help prevent B12 deficiencies that cause cramps. While meat, fish, and dairy are excellent B12 sources, eggs are a lower-fat option than red meat, easier to digest for seniors with weaker digestion, and provide a rich mix of protein and vitamins, not just B12. For vegetarians who eat dairy but not meat, eggs are one of the best ways to keep B12 levels up. How many eggs should older adults eat per week to help their muscles without worrying about cholesterol? Research now confirms that eating a moderate amount of eggs, 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most people and doesn't significantly affect cholesterol levels in healthy older adults. If you have heart conditions or high cholesterol, it's best to talk to your doctor. However, replacing processed meats with eggs can still be a healthy choice for your heart. Can eggs help reduce leg cramps that happen at night in older adults? Yes, nighttime leg cramps are often linked to poor muscle recovery, unbalanced electrolytes, and nerve problems. Since eggs provide protein for muscle repair, B12 for nerve protection, and vitamin D and calcium for muscle function, eating eggs for dinner or breakfast can help balance nutrients and support muscle recovery overnight, reducing cramps at night. Some older adults might need to change how many eggs they eat based on their health. If you have kidney disease, you might need to limit protein. Talk to your doctor. If you have high cholesterol, you can eat egg whites instead of whole eggs. If you have diabetes, pair eggs with foods rich in fiber, like vegetables and whole grains, to help control blood sugar. For most older adults, eggs are a very beneficial food that helps muscles, nerves, and overall health. To get the most benefits, older adults should eat eggs regularly, 6 to 7 per week. Pair them with other nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. Stay hydrated and keep their electrolytes balanced. For older adults looking to reduce muscle cramps naturally, eggs are a simple and effective food to add to their diet. So next time you make breakfast, think about adding an egg to your plate. It's one of the best choices for healthy muscles. 2. Bananas. Potassium is a key mineral for muscle contractions, nerve signals, and keeping fluids balanced in your body. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition called hypokalemia, muscles are much more likely to spasm and cramp. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of potassium. One medium banana has about 420 milligrams, which is 12% of the recommended daily amount. By keeping potassium levels healthy, bananas help control muscle contractions and stop spasms, ensure smooth communication between nerves for muscle control, and balance fluid levels, which reduces cramps caused by dehydration. For older adults, eating 1 to 2 bananas every day can significantly help reduce how often they get muscle cramps. What happens when potassium levels are too low, and how does that lead to muscle cramps? Potassium helps send electrical signals between your nerves and muscles. When potassium levels drop, muscles become overly excited, leading to frequent cramping. Nerve signals get messed up, increasing the risk of muscles contracting on their own. Cells also lose their ability to balance fluids, causing muscle stiffness. Studies show that older adults are at a higher risk for potassium deficiency because of a lower appetite or poor diet. Side effects from medicines, like diuretics for blood pressure, excessive sweating, or dehydration. By including bananas in their diet, older adults can naturally get enough potassium and help their muscles work normally. Magnesium is another super important mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. It helps calm muscle excitability, stopping sudden cramps, supports energy production for muscle contractions, and balances calcium and potassium, all essential for muscles to work correctly. Each banana has 32 milligrams of magnesium, which helps prevent muscle tightness and spasms. Since many older adults don't get enough magnesium, eating bananas along with other magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens can help reduce muscle cramping and improve recovery. Nighttime leg cramps are often linked to electrolyte imbalances, low potassium, magnesium, poor blood flow, and dehydration. Since bananas contain potassium, magnesium, and carbohydrates that help with hydration, eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed might help relax muscles, making cramps less intense, balance electrolytes, stopping nighttime spasms, and help you sleep better by reducing muscle tension. How does vitamin B6 in bananas help your nerves work and your muscles recover? Vitamin B6 is a key nutrient for a healthy nervous system. It helps control neurotransmitters, chemicals that control muscle movements, reduces inflammation, helping muscles recover faster after exercise, and improves the production of red blood cells, making sure muscles get enough oxygen. Each banana provides 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, which is almost 30% of the daily need for older adults. Research shows that low vitamin B6 levels can lead to more muscle cramping and spasms due to nerve problems, more inflammation making muscles more prone to pain and stiffness, and less energy production leading to tired muscles. A 2018 study found that older adults with low vitamin B6 intake had leg cramps more often. Since bananas are a natural source of vitamin B6, they help prevent nerve-related muscle issues. Bananas help bring potassium and magnesium levels back to normal, reducing cramps related to electrolytes, provide natural sugars and water, helping with hydration, and balance sodium levels, which is vital for muscles to contract and relax. For older adults, staying hydrated and eating electrolyte-rich foods like bananas helps muscles work smoothly. While bananas help with hydration, you should also drink enough water. If muscle cramps are from dehydration, drinking enough water is just as important as eating bananas. For the best results, drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Eat bananas with water or coconut water, which also has electrolytes. By keeping both fluids and electrolytes balanced, older adults can prevent muscle cramps caused by dehydration. How many bananas should older adults eat each day to help prevent leg cramps? The right amount varies, but generally, 1 banana a day provides enough potassium and magnesium to support muscle health. 2 bananas a day might be helpful for those who get frequent muscle cramps. Since bananas are high in natural sugars, older adults with diabetes should eat them in moderation, along with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar. For older adults who often get muscle cramps, eating 1 banana daily, staying hydrated, and having a balanced diet can greatly improve muscle function and reduce how often cramps occur. 3. Nuts and seeds. While foods rich in potassium and magnesium like bananas and leafy greens are well known for preventing cramps, nuts and seeds are another powerful food group that can greatly improve muscle health and prevent cramping. They are full of magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all of which help muscles relax, improve blood flow, and balance electrolytes. Let's explore how almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and other nuts can help older adults keep their muscles strong and cramp-free. Many older adults don't get enough magnesium, which makes them more likely to get frequent and painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are some of the best natural sources of magnesium, making them an easy way to prevent cramps. Here's the magnesium content per 1 ounce serving. Pumpkin seeds, 168 milligrams, 40% of daily needs. Almonds, 77 milligrams, 20% of daily needs. Cashews, 74 milligrams, 19% of daily needs. Eating a small handful of nuts daily can help bring magnesium levels back up and keep muscles relaxed and healthy. While bananas are often linked with potassium, many nuts and seeds also provide this important mineral. Here's the potassium content per 1 ounce serving. Pistachios, 290 milligrams, almonds, 200 milligrams, cashews, 160 milligrams. Electrolytes like magnesium and potassium are lost through sweat, so replacing them is essential for muscles to recover and to prevent cramps. Nuts and seeds are great for replacing electrolytes because they are high in both magnesium and potassium, helping muscles recover, contain healthy fats, which reduce muscle inflammation, and provide protein, helping muscles repair themselves. For older adults who get cramps after physical activity, eating a handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals can help replace lost minerals and keep muscles cramp-free. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds help your blood flow, making sure your muscles get enough oxygen and nutrients to work properly. Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and flax seeds reduce muscle inflammation. Monounsaturated fats found in almonds and cashews improve circulation, which lowers the risk of cramps. Poor circulation can cause painful leg cramps, especially at night. By eating nuts regularly, older adults can improve blood flow and reduce cramping. Can eating nuts and seeds help reduce the inflammation that contributes to muscle tiredness and cramping? Yes, long-term inflammation damages muscle tissue and makes older adults more prone to cramping and soreness. Nuts and seeds contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation. These reduce stress on muscles, lower inflammation, allowing for faster muscle recovery, and support long-term muscle health, preventing frequent cramps. For older adults dealing with ongoing muscle pain or arthritis, adding walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds to their diet can provide natural anti-inflammatory benefits. While all nuts and seeds offer valuable nutrients, some are especially good for muscle health because they are high in magnesium, potassium, and protein. The best nuts and seeds for preventing leg cramps include pumpkin seeds, highest in magnesium at 168 milligrams per ounce; almonds, a great source of both magnesium and potassium; pistachios, one of the best nuts for potassium at 290 milligrams per ounce; cashews, high in magnesium and healthy fats for circulation; and walnuts, rich in omega-3s which reduce muscle inflammation. For the best results, older adults should eat a variety of nuts and seeds to get different nutrients that support their muscles. How many nuts and seeds should older adults eat daily to prevent leg cramps? While nuts and seeds are very nutritious, they also have a lot of calories, so portion control is important. The recommended intake is a small handful, 1 ounce of nuts per day, about 20 almonds, or 2 tablespoons of seeds. You can sprinkle seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds on your meals for extra benefits. The best times to eat nuts and seeds for muscle health are with meals, helps with nutrient absorption and electrolyte balance; before bed, can reduce nighttime leg cramps by keeping muscles relaxed; and after exercise, helps replace lost electrolytes and aids muscle recovery. By eating nuts in moderation, older adults can prevent cramps while maintaining a balanced diet. While nuts and seeds offer many benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. Their high-calorie content means eating too much can lead to weight gain, so controlling your portions is important. Salted or processed nuts have high sodium, which can cause dehydration and increase cramp risk. Allergies are a concern for some people, so if you have them, you should look for other sources of magnesium and potassium. Lastly, digestive issues can happen because nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which might cause bloating or discomfort for older adults with sensitive digestion. The solution is to choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted nuts and eat them in moderation to get the most muscle health benefits without side effects. For older adults looking to naturally reduce muscle cramps, eating a small handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals daily can be an easy and tasty way to support muscle health. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.